macmon NAC stands for Security Software Solutions for Network Access Control to deliver maximum security for IT and OT environments. macmon NAC secures vulnerable networks of any size. Our NAC solution is designed to fit within complex network infrastructures. It secures the access to critical industries such as the healthcare sector, to stadiums, and in the various sectors of energy, mass transit, in the CPG sector, material handling, and automotive manufacturing. And by doing so, helps to prevent system failures and downtime. Our software solutions are manufacturer-agnostic and offer the easiest implementation available in the market. Zero Trust is the state-of-the-art approach in modern IT security, and now also stands for maximum protection for OT networks. macmon NAC is an integral part of Belden, a global supplier of network infrastructure and digitization solutions. For more information, visit our website at belden.com/macmon.